XRP price had a positive Sunday performance with a close above $0.8390, but things fell apart in the Asia-Pac session as bulls were unable to run price action upwards, let alone see more bulls coming in at $0.8390. Instead, XRP price dropped below it. With that drop, bears are flushing out some bulls on the way down as no support is present in the nearby vicinity. Ripple price could be in trouble for today as the RSI is showing a divergence to the downside. Although prices are getting squeezed toward each other, the RSI is slipping toward 50 and looks set to slip below 50, revealing that bears are using the skepticism of last week to squeeze out bulls further. Expect to see bears trying to push XRP price toward $0.7843, with only the monthly pivot at $0.8075 as the line of defense preventing that. With only one actual test on the first day, that reputation looks feeble to hold. As sentiment for the week still needs to be set, a quick turnaround could still come, should equities with Nasdaq as a leading indicator jumpstart the week to the upside. That would signal risk onto the markets, with bulls pouring into risk assets across the board. That activity would push XRP price back above $0.8390 and target $0.8791 to the upside, which would mean a 4% gain for Monday.